3 problems that overweight people have and how to exactly solve them. One is a slow metabolism, and overweight people tend to burn the food that they consume as fuel at a slower rate compared to people who are slender. And if you do not fix a slow metabolism, you might end up being overweight for the rest of your life. Number 2 is constant high hunger, and no matter how much they eat, they tend not to be satisfied. You might find someone can eat breakfast, but shortly after, they are like someone who've never eaten before, so they suffer from that constant hunger. Number 3 is that they eat even when they're not hungry, or what we call emotional eating. How do you fix the above problems? One, you need to understand that your slow metabolism comes from an abnormally working hypothalamus, and what makes your hypothalamus not works properly, it is a couple of things. One, it can be candida yeast overgrowth, it can be a clogged liver, it can be a clogged colon, it can be MSGs, artificial sweeteners, trans fats, the chemicals that we put directly on our skin, and so many other things. Once you are able to correct the root cause of that problem, you start having a high metabolism, and eventually you start losing weight, or you start burning fat. Number 2, the high hunger. How do you correct that hunger? You start eating high protein meals, and this is because protein have been proven to keep you fuller for longer, or satiated, so you don't tend to feel hungry when you eat a high protein meal. Number 3, how do you go about the emotional eating? You need to stop eating according to a clock. And I know that you've been told that breakfast should be eaten, say, between 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. You should eat your lunch around 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and your dinner between 6 to 7 p.m. But once you stop eating according to a clock and start listening to your real hunger cues, you start even actually losing weight. What do I mean? If you can observe and understand that most of us eat because we've been Pavlov conditioned. That is, in the morning you are told that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But have you ever asked yourself this question? Am I really hungry, or am I eating because I've been told that I need to eat breakfast so that I can start off my day well? No. So whenever you start feeling hungry, take a glass of water, and you're going to start realizing that the hunger is actually in your brain. So I hope that this was helpful. There are so many other things that they go through that I won't be able to address them in the entire of this video, but those are some of the major ones that they go through. I was once overweight as well. I was able to lose that weight over a couple of like 15 months, but I fixed the root cause of the problem, and that is why I have never gained that weight back. So you too can, and leave your comments down below. Follow for more as we continue to learn. Thank you.